Hello and welcome to my channel, Food Brainwash. The aim of my channel is to boost your cooking knowledge through a wide variety of different cooking tutorials and food science animations and past exam paper videos. If that sounds like your cup of tea, then please subscribe. Today's recipe is a healthy smoothie option you can have for breakfast. Here are your ingredients for your smoothie: bananas, yogurt, milk, frozen fruit, honey and oats. You could of course swap out the bananas for pink dragon fruit or mango. Whatever fruit is your favourite you can use in your breakfast smoothie. Don't forget you'll need your blender too to make that delicious breakfast smoothie. So next, add a cup of whole milk. You can of course substitute this with a soy milk or an almond milk. In this recipe I'm using cow's milk. Next, add some frozen fruit to your smoothie. In this recipe I've chosen to add frozen blueberries, but you could swap that out for raspberries or black currants, whatever takes your fancy. Just add a tablespoon of honey. Next, you're going to add in some rolled oats. These will keep you fuller for longer. Just a word of warning, the blender's about to switch on, it'll get noisy. Oh, looking good there. Ever such a gorgeous colour. A very nice lilac. Can't wait to drink it later. Just a quick taste test. Make sure all the flavours are on point. I like an iced cold smoothie, so I'm going to add some ice in at this point and blend it into my smoothie to make it extra delicious. Next, we're going to get our smoothie cup ready. Finally, we're going to add in plain yogurt. This will give a nice, smooth, creamy texture to your smoothie. And now it's time for our final blend before we drink our smoothie. Make sure all the frozen fruit and oats and everything have blended through completely before you drink it. And here we are pouring out our smoothie. Wow, look at that unctuous thick texture. I can't wait to drink this, it looks beautiful. I know the flavour is going to be awesome too. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and smack that like button. See you next time.